Hello friends, once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So today in this video we shall try to update our Windows 10 operating system to Windows 11 operating system. So the process is very simple. First of all, there are two options. Either we can sign up for the Windows Insider Preview program, or we can download the Windows ISO individually from the Microsoft website. So the process is very simple. So, first of all, we shall try one more trick, that is downloading the ISO file from the Windows from the Microsoft Windows server site. Okay, so I shall try to download Microsoft Windows 11 ISO file, and to do this, I have to click on this. I have to go on this website. Okay, and then I have to sign in using my using our Microsoft account. So I have already signed in using Microsoft account, and now I can see the option to download Windows 10 ISO build or Windows 11 ISO build also. So this is the website, and here I can see the options are available, that is Windows 11 Insider Preview, Windows 10 Insider Preview, that is developer channel, beta channel, the build are 22.0.0.132, or the build or Windows 10 Insider Preview build 19043.98. So these are the Windows 10 Insider Preview build and the Windows 11 Insider Preview build that are available to download using Microsoft Windows account. Okay, so I can click on either of the options. So I shall click on the Windows Insider Preview developer channel and click on the confirm button, and then I shall see the option to select my desired language. So I shall click English United Kingdom, and then I shall click confirm button, and then after that I can see the option that is a Windows 11 client Insider Preview build. That is a build 22.00.132 English United Kingdom. So here is the option to download Windows 64-bit download. So the downloading has been started now. You can see on the screen. So I have already downloaded this file, so I shall cancel at this time. So once the download complete, you have to move to the folder where you have downloaded the ISO file. So I have already downloaded, and then so I shall move to the folder directly, and here it is showing me that Windows 11 Pro that is already downloaded. So I shall right click here, and then click on the show more option, and then click on the option that is extract to Windows 11 Pro. So either you can mount the ISO file using mount application, or I can extract the file using the WinZip or WinRAR. Okay, so right now I am extracting the file using WinZip or WinRAR. Okay, so once the extraction will complete, I can see the folder here. Okay, just wait a second, and this process will complete now. Okay, so the file has been extracted now, and now I shall open the folder, and then here is a setup.exe file. So I'll have to click on the setup.exe, and the installation will begin. Okay, so you can see right now this is the Windows 10 installation file. Okay, so this is the way from where you can start to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation that will directly update you. That will directly update your Microsoft Windows 10 to Microsoft Windows 11, or it can also update from Windows 7 to Windows 10 also, or from Windows 10 to Windows 11 also. So this is the process how you can update your Microsoft Windows 10 operating system to Microsoft Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so this is the one process, and another one is that you can sign in using the Microsoft account, and then click on the Windows update option, and there you have to sign up for the Windows Insider program also. So I have already signed in for the Windows Insider program, and here I can see the options are available to get to receive the build update. Okay, so this is how I can stop receiving the updates, or I can start receiving the Windows Update bill. So guys, this is the process how you can update directly from Windows 10 to Windows 11 or Windows 7 to Windows 10. Okay. Yes, so this is the option and this is the trick how you can update from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So guys, this is all about this video. So thanks guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please like the video, please share the video, and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. So guys, thanks for watching my video.